If your ELLIPAL device is physically tampered with, it activates several security mechanisms designed to protect your cryptocurrency assets. The moment the device detects unauthorized physical intrusion, such as attempts to open the casing or drill into the internal hardware, the anti-tamper function is triggered. This function immediately initiates a self-destruct sequence. It securely and permanently wipes all sensitive data stored on the device, including your private keys and the device's operating system. The purpose of this action is to prevent an attacker who physically compromises the device from gaining access to your funds. The device essentially renders itself unusable and unrecoverable by an unauthorized party. Your funds are not stored on the ELLIPAL device itself, they are secured on the blockchain, and the device holds the key to access them. Because the device erases the private key, the physical attacker gains nothing of value. To recover your funds, you must use your 24-word recovery seed phrase, sometimes called a mnemonic phrase. This seed phrase is the only backup for your private keys. You will need to enter this phrase into a new, secure hardware wallet or compatible software wallet to restore access to your cryptocurrencies. This entire process ensures that even in the event of theft or physical compromise, your digital assets remain safe, provided you have securely stored your recovery seed phrase. The robust anti-tamper security is a fundamental layer of protection for any cold wallet like ELLIPAL. Always keep your seed phrase secret and offline.